Good afternoon, here from Philippines. Thank you so much for watching another video. Yes, some guys over there saying hello. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes. Yes guys, so today in Kahal guys, here in Mindanao, I'm going to be giving you a 4K market tour guys. We got Puya, I got Ate over here. Yes, don't forget to always like, subscribe and share this video guys. Tell another friend to tell another friend. Thank you so much and let us get into this video. Good afternoon. Okay, so this is quite a nice decent market. The market here is quite decent. I like. There are lots of things in the shop. Yeah, lots of things in the shop. Lots of flowers. Hello, good afternoon. Yes, Ate. Yes, doing a market tour. Yeah. Yes, it's a 4K market tour here. Ate, good afternoon. Good afternoon, yes.
Hi, good afternoon.
Got some nice flowers here. Yes. They look very pretty, especially that one in the middle, very pretty. Got his white and his blue color as well, very unique blue color.
Blue color.
Yes, very pretty. And I like this one here as well. It got these very unique colors right here. Yeah. I will be back. Thank you, Salamat. Hello, good afternoon. Yes, doing a market tour. Just taking a tour here. Or is this your business? I promote it for you. Yes, guys, if you could please check out the business, right? This is the Facebook here. And also, this is the number as well, guys. You can also reach out on WhatsApp, yeah? Yeah. Yes, this number, WhatsApp. My God. Yeah, you can reach out to them also on WhatsApp as well, guys. Yeah. That's the Facebook here. Yes. Yes. You want a picture? Yeah. You get to see yourself back on TV, yeah? See you. Yes. It's put out there, guys, so this is real nice. See, the thing is as well, guys, as a foreigner, you're going to get this reaction as well. You have to expect this reaction. Yes. See, now, if I was doing this like now, for example, in UK now, or Jamaica, then it would be a different system because there, I'm already from those countries already, really. Those are actually my cultures, really, to be honest. So, the minute you travel out abroad, well, normally if I'm in France, maybe I don't get that reaction as well. But I think here in Philippines, you get the reaction. You know, you get a lot of reaction here in Philippines. You definitely have to expect to get a lot of reaction like that, you know. Yeah, it's not a very big market, but I mean, it's okay. We'll still have a lot of things on the street, you know. I mean, it's still a busy place. Not so busy as I expect it to be. This market is not really busy, but this is just a literally outside market, you would call it. But most of the sell here is flowers. That's why you don't get a lot of people buying. You don't get a lot of that. YouTube, I don't own that music. So long I don't own that music. Yeah. Go ya. Hello. They got something over here as well. Okay, and this is meant to be the local post office. Okay, so we are walking through a local place, guys. I don't know this place, guys. I'm just literally walking. Yes, guys, so we are, yes, literally on the main road. It wasn't a very big market. Not a big market. But, you know, on this street, guys, it's going to be a lot more busier. On this street, it'll be a lot more busier. I love the way they do the palm trees here as well. It's really, really nice. I really love it. Really, really nice place. Look how busy the street is, guys. The street is so big, it's busy with tricycle. In there. Very nice city to be, guys. What a beautiful city. Never ever been to this city, guys. Yes, Kuya. Salamat. Hey, hello, Kuya. Kuya, salamat. Yes, guys, everyone's so happy to see the camera when I'm vlogging. Everyone is happy. That's very nice. This is what I tell you guys, here in the Philippines, never had no problem. As I said, guys, if there's going to be a problem with the camera, there will people who just hide themselves away. That's what they do here. Or they will just put their hands up and just put their hands and just give you the signal, no camera. That's it. Because in some other countries, they want to fight you guys. They want to make problems, shout, make up a lot of noise. It doesn't work making the noise because, I mean, CCTV, guys, why don't they say that when the CCTV, why don't they say that watch your CCTV? My CCTV is watching me. Watch your cameras. They don't complain. But a little YouTube video, I'm shouting and there's a problem. But the thing is, you know, the thing is, Filipino, they are a better example. You know, they are a very, very good example here. If they would tell you no camera, they would just easily just say no camera, sir. It's okay. They'll be very, very polite. They would not even be rude to you. They're just so respectful. They said, no, sir, I'm no camera, please, sir. You're not allowed. And that's it. You know, just like you seen one video where I went up on a podium and security was very professional. I just came over and said, sir, no, you're not allowed up there, sir. You're not allowed. That's it. It was very, very so professional. I was so happy the way he talks to me, guys. You know, he talks with lots of respect. And I'm telling you guys, you're going to get a lot of that. When you come here to Philippines, you will see whoever never traveled to Philippines need to travel here and see. And you will see, guys, I'm not joking. I mean, they're really nice people. They are deadly, deadly friendly here, guys. So friendly. One of the most down-to-earth people I ever come across. I've been to so many countries, but I never come across no one so friendly as Filipino, to be honest with you. Oh, it's a security center here, right? I think that's where... Oh, actually, it is a security bank. It's a bank, guys. Yes, it's a security bank. It's a bank, actually. The street is really, really busy. So busy. What a busy place. I really love the way they make the pavement here, guys. So nice. You don't get that everywhere in the Philippines, but so, just depends on what city you go to, guys, you know? Yes. Just depends on what province you travel on. You know, some provinces are going to be so different. So you're going to get that as well. London. Where are you from? America. Oh, nice to meet you, sir. Thank you. Look, kuya. Oh, God. Oh, there. Yes, there you go. Oh, what is this, guys? Oh, we do haircut and things like that. Okay, they have their own price. We do haircut. You can do a lot of things here. Oh, hello. How are you? Yes. Hello. Look at her stick her eyes out from the side. Look, hello. It's Koya. What we got here? Oh, wow. My name is Boss Kirk, who travels around the world.
My name is Angelo.
Angelo. Oh, that's a very nice name. Oh, she got some nice cake here. It looks masarap. Yeah. Oh, hello. Idol, yeah? Look at you.
My brother.
A brother, yeah?
Brother? It's my brother.
The twin brother. The twin brother from another mother.
LeBron James.
Yes, you are LeBron James, yeah.
No. Stephen Curry.
Yeah, you got some nice cake. I think I got to buy some, you know? You don't need it. Yeah, you got to buy some cake here. Yeah. Yes, and it looks like someone I know. Yeah. Yeah, he looks like one of my friends called Ian.
Really?
Yes, I'll show the video. He look just like Ian. He's one of my friends. Yeah, he look just like him. Yeah. Yes, guys, so real right here. I love the place. You know, everybody's calling me Hyde here. Everybody love me here. That's real nice. Well, anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Yes, don't forget to always like, subscribe, and share this video around, guys. I really hope you did enjoy this 4K market tour. But it wasn't a big market as what was expected, guys. But it's all right. Still nice to come and explore the city, guys, you know, so I really enjoyed it anyway, you know. So thank you so much once and again, guys, for watching this video. I really hope you're enjoying it. Keep subscribing, guys, and always share, don't forget. And I'll see you in the next video, guys. Signing out from Mindanao. Hello, guys. There you. Yeah, see, so many of them crazy about me, guys, you know. So signing out from Mindanao here in Philippines. Simple province life with Ate. You know, right here chopping the boko here still, guys. You can see she got her Philippine style, she got her relaxed back style. Juicy right, guys, you know, it's really, really good price, you know. So come here to Marrakesh, guys. In Square Market is beautiful, guys. Oh, look at the size of them, you know? Yeah, look at the color. We got such amazing color in here. Look at that. Oh, I think it must have discover in the Philippines. This is a foreign American 5 Filipinos.
What a ham! Look at this video, is very nice.
Yes, but a lot of people are crazy about me in Morocco. But you know, they're so amazed about my height here in Philippines, guys, you know. So I'm very famous in this country.